Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can open yourself a Wells Fargo account online by sitting at your home. And it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So first we are going to do this. You want to go on your search engine and search for Wells Fargo account. And after you search for Wells Fargo account, click on where it says online banking over here. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Wells Fargo's official page. Once you're in Wells Fargo's official page, choose personal over here. Once you click on personal, it's going to bring you over here. Once you're over here, you can see checking, saving, all this. From over here, choose the one which you want. So I want to create a checking account, so I'm gonna hover my mouse on top of checking, and there is all this type of checking account which you want. I want students, so I'm gonna be going to click on this. Once I click on this, it's gonna be taking me to this page over here. Once I'm over here, scroll a bit down and choose which type of plan you want. So I'm going to take this one over here, so I'm gonna choose open now, but you can choose whichever one you're going to open. Alright, just choose the correct one. So once you're over here, scroll a bit down and over here choose what type of account you want. I want an individual one over here, and no, I'm not Wells Fargo online banking customer. And I click on continue over here, and it's gonna take me to the next step after some time. Now after I'm over here, what I'm gonna be going to do is I'm gonna be entering my information, like my first name over here, my last name. If you have a middle name, you can enter it. If you don't, you can leave it empty. Enter your social security number over here, enter your type of license ID you have, enter your ID number, enter a state issued number. Just enter all of your information over here correctly. Make sure it's correct. Click on continue. After this, it's gonna ask you for what type of options you want to choose. It's gonna review your form. It's gonna ask you to agree to its terms and service, and then it's gonna ask you to fund your bank account, because you cannot create a bank account with $0 in it. So after you put some money into it, your Wells Fargo's bank account will be created. So yes, that's how you guys can create yourself a Wells Fargo's bank account online. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.